Respect to the super nation. We've been around for years without a permanent vacation. Hip hop, whatever the thing that you can do. Just make sure you get pops back, cause New York is the first thing.
And there's gonna be a cold in hell to the man that's in the house right now. That's all I can say. There's gonna be no cold in hell no more. Come on, man. There's gonna be a little resistance there, but recognize the resistance. Look over it. Hang on, y'all gonna say. Move on. Peace, y'all.
Cool DJ is the fall we did. We started playing in the millionaire halls with disco. Rhythm and blues and just plain soul. Yes, brother Hercules had the soul control. Then came Band Fodder, the soul sonic force. And all of those brothers, man, yes, of course. Grand Mix and D. Yeah, man, Cold Crush. Back in the days when them cats would bum rush. I remember when they did the bum rush to show. Rapper without the balls in case you don't know. Can't rest one single I'm a super pro. Here to let you know.
Good looking, Jay-Z. We got work to do.
Time keeps on
The culture that represents the entire world. DJ and MC.
I bet they celebrated in DC.
Hip-hop the way it's supposed to be celebrated.
1974, the birth of the new style. The correct form and name was originated. I know I saw us. The one making bad noise. B-boying on the floor until we can't no more.
People came out, but BB came to see Naughty by Nature, MIT, New Jersey. The New Jersey Brooklyn Connect. I want to pick up all of my nieces and nephews in the house. If you a niece or a nephew of Big Rock, make some motherfucking noise. All the Browns, we deep up in here. We're gonna EQ this thing right quick. Take your time, twin. Take your time, y'all. Big up the Queen Latifah. We got a direct line to Barack Obama, y'all. Ha ha. Somebody say yeah. Say homie. Hip hop, hip hop, hip hop.
Before we talk to the bunny, sonny. He's the man, Bugs, the dog with the money. Funny that you mentioned.
How many people love classic hip hop, y'all? I said, how many people love classic hip hop, y'all? Shout out to Strong Alley.
I used to love the mic
Yeah, CA, baby, CA. Terrace Avenue all day. You heard? Rock, Webster. Yeah.
Rhyme is step two. Look at how many big shows I slept through.
Sorry, I kept you. Pick up Mr. C. How can you say the champion? See you too. See you too. What's up, New York? What up? His party all the time. It's all the people scratching. See what? The last P-Well. That's how that's the behind. It's sort of like a another way to call it got a kid. It's 5 little letters that I was thinking. You get it on occasion at the other party.
Appreciation for your support.
Make them clap to this.
Thank you, DJs.
This is K-Live from